A family in shock after a stroll turns into a dangerous situation, someone purposely coughing on them, saying the words coronavirus.
New coronavirus rules may mean you're going to have to wait longer to go grocery shopping.
High fever and a nasty cough. A mother wants change after her child was denied a COVID-19 test.
And President Trump praises this new drive-up coronavirus testing site in Atlanta.
Tonight, who seems to be surviving the virus here in Metro Atlanta and how this local musician made it through.
And we begin with breaking news. State Senator Jack Hill has died. The Southeast Georgia Republican was Senate Appropriations Chairman. In a statement, Governor Brian Kemp says Georgia has lost a gentle giant. The cause of Senator Hill's death has not yet been released. Tonight, a huge jump in coronavirus deaths in the state of Georgia. Good evening. Glad you're with us. I'm Rick Fulbaum. My co-anchor Sean Gables is also with us tonight. She joins us from her remote location at home as we continue to practice social distancing. Hi, Sean.
Good evening. Let's get straight to those numbers you just mentioned. 65 people have died since noon today. The state health department reports 294 people in Georgia have died of COVID-19 since the outbreak began. More than 7,500 people have tested positive. That includes more than 1,000 cases in Fulton County. That's where police are now investigating a report that a woman was purposely coughing on children.
Kennedy is live on 17th Street near Atlantic Station in Atlanta with the details. Jamie.
Rick, well, it happened here yesterday evening around 6 p.m. The family believing they could be the target of a social media challenge. The Speakmans and their kids were out walking their dog when the unthinkable happened.
And we hit the sign. All of a sudden, this young girl comes up kind of holding her phone. She starts coughing and it says, "No, corona, corona."
And then
it just walks off.
Laughing hysterically.
Laughing, going away.
The Speakmans say the young adult female coughed on purpose on their 6-year-old son within touching distance.
We were kind of like in shock a little bit, like what just kind of happened.
The couple say they weren't sure what type of person they were dealing with and immediately checked on their children. They took a couple of quick pictures before trying to pursue the woman.
And I tried to go after her, and then she kind of ducked into either an apartment building or went down a side street.
The couple filed a police report. Police say they are looking into the situation and can't say yet what the person could be possibly charged with. Police around the country are dealing with similar incidents. The family believes a person who laughs and does this is a danger to all.
If they don't feel like there's a consequence for what they're doing, then it's going to get out of control.
Now, so far, the family hasn't shown any symptoms of the coronavirus, but they're just unsure about exactly if the woman had the virus to begin with. Live in Atlanta, Jamie Kennedy, CBS 46 News.
Thank you, Jamie. Beginning tomorrow, Kroger will limit how many shoppers can be in their stores at one time. One person will be allowed in for 120 square feet of the store. Kroger says the customer traffic will be monitored by an existing infrared technology in the stores. The goal is to flatten the curve of coronavirus cases. Tonight, exclusive video inside a Siemens research and development facility in Tucker. Each week, workers are assembling and packaging 25,000 face shields.
The feedback from these masks has been universally positive. We've had an Emory professor that works with the Georgia Tech team say these masks rock. I personally got a letter from 7 nurses at a Northside hospital up in Cumming, one of the relatives of one of my employees, hand-signed letters thanking us for our time and our efforts supporting them. And they're on the front lines battling this disease, and we're just happy to do everything we can to help them.
A Georgia Tech team designed the shields. The project is a partnership with Gemma.